Okay, hello. We'll be looking at how to add polynomials, how to, put them together. Um, and much of our work would be basically stuff you've done before, mostly. So if you've worked with linear equations a lot, you've worked with linear equations with, parentheses, brackets and stuff. This shouldn't be, much of a problem. It should be fine, actually. So we are given these polynomials p of x, q of x, and r of x, and then we'll be seeing okay, first we have to calculate p of x plus q of x. Okay, it's quite simple. P of x plus q of x. The first thing you would need to take note of is that basically you just need to write out the polynomial. So 5x plus 7 plus, and then this is the thing you need to take note of. Ensure to put a bracket sign. Now, some people say it doesn't matter after all, if you multiply the positive in, it doesn't change the sign and all of that. But when you begin to work with negative numbers, you would need to already be used to it, right? So just make it a habit to go through this step before you get to the next one. Okay, we have, so breaking this down, would have 5x plus 7, multiply plus times minus gives you minus 5x squared, plus times minus gives you minus 6x, and then plus times plus gives you plus 6, right? So again, the sign didn't really change. Okay, next thing we do is we want to, collect like terms and all of that. I would just write it in standard form as it is here. If I do that, I'll be writing the minus 5x squared first, so minus 5x squared. Then I'm just going to rule it out because I don't want to make that mistake. Then plus 5x going out 2, minus 6x, you're going out 2, I have plus 7, and then plus 6. So I have everything down here. That's just to ensure that you don't forget anything or end up writing anything twice, stuff like that. Let's put them together. I have minus 5x squared. These two are like terms, so I can lump them up. Plus 5x minus 6x would give me minus x, right? Minus x, and plus 13. Plus 13. So that's my answer for this. This is equal to minus 5x squared minus x plus 13. Minus 5x squared minus x plus 13. Let's see the next question. Okay, this is asking us to add p of x plus q of x plus r of x. Since I already have p of x plus q of x, I'll just go on and add r of x to it. That makes sense, yeah? So p of x plus q of x is already this. I will just add r of x to that. So I'm going to have, let me write it out here. We have p of x plus q of x plus r of x. You could write it all out and start doing it again from the top, but I wouldn't bother with that. This first one here is p of x plus q of x is minus 5x squared minus x plus 13. R of x is so that's plus, I'll open the bracket again, 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 5. Alright, multiplying into the bracket, you would have minus 5x squared minus 6x. Okay, hold on a moment, I need to scratch that. I was looking somewhere else actually. Thank you. Okay, would have minus 5x squared minus x plus 13. Then we get the positive sign to multiply in here, would have plus 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 5. My next move would be to collect the like terms and again arrange in standard form. If I do that, I would have 3x cubed. I'm going to take that out because that's the highest power, so I'm taking that first. Then minus 5x squared Then I have another minus 2x squared. I think that's it with the power of 2, yes. Then plus x, or rather minus x again. I'm sorry about that, minus x. Minus x plus 4x plus 13 plus 5. Okay, finally we collect, we put them together. 3x cubed is alone, so it stays alone. Minus 5x squared minus 2x squared. If I put them together, I would have minus 7x squared. Minus x plus 4x would be plus 3x. And this would be plus 18. That should be easy enough. If you're having issues with this, very likely, like when you start doing it, right, very likely it's going to be because you possibly are having issues with linear equations, and all of that. But it's really a straight up walkthrough, or maybe you're not careful enough to write out your steps and stuff. I have a lot of students like that. So you want to just be careful as you walk across to make sure that you follow the steps, because it's long. It's very easy to make mistakes and stuff. Okay, the final question now. Okay, so the final question is 2r of x plus 3q of x. Yeah. 2 times r of x plus 3 times q of x. So we just need to write everything out carefully. Write it out carefully. 2r of x, that would be 2 bracket 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 5. Okay, so I like to just take a pause and check my work before I continue, because it's going to be really sad if you've gone, a couple of steps and then you now notice that there's one minus sign you missed or something. It can be really annoying. Q of x is minus 5x squared minus 6x plus 6. Very next step will be to expand. That's 6x cubed minus 4x squared plus 8x plus 10. When I multiply this, plus times minus, so I have minus 15x squared minus 18x and plus 18. Good. Next step would be to collect like terms, arrange a standard form. I have 6x cubed first, followed by my x squared, which would be minus 4x squared and minus 15x squared. Then my x, which would be plus 8x minus 18x. And then we have plus 28. That's 10. I skipped a step there actually. I should have done 10 and then 18, but 10 plus 18 is 28. Okay. Finally, we'd have 6x cubed minus 19x squared minus 10x plus 28. Good. This means 6x cubed minus 19x squared minus 10x plus 28. Okay, that's it there, easy peasy. I would say something, right? I would advise you to, try to do the questions by yourself and then check with the answers that I got. I know looking at it, it might look like I get it, simple, it's straightforward. But sometimes it's until you actually try to do something that you know whether or not you can do it. I mean, that's just the way it is. So you want to just take your time, do example 1, example 2, example 3, and confirm that you can actually do it. If you have any issues, of course, you can always revert back to the video and check it out. And there's also can't practice here. There are questions here that you can look up also. All right, thank you. Bye.